I'm Matt Senyuk, Product Specialist with Range, and today we're talking about 3 ways SMS marketing can help increase downloads and engagements for your mobile app. So we have the opportunity to talk to a lot of different businesses, especially in the retail industry. And a common conversation that comes up is this idea that mobile apps, businesses are designing and building mobile apps, and they're actually mutually exclusive when it comes to mobile apps and SMS messaging. But that cannot be further from the truth. Why? Because you're building an app, and that app is in a very crowded environment. In 2018 alone, there are more than 3.8 million apps in the Google Play marketplace, period. Your average customer probably uses 10 apps a day, 30 apps per month. So it's a very mature, competitive environment that you are either getting into or already a part of. So you know how difficult it can be just to get somebody to download the app, and on top of that, continuously using it and engaging with the app over time. So here are 3 ways that SMS messaging can help you really nail down those metrics. 1, build out your mobile list. If you're focusing on growing your customer database, you need to start collecting mobile messages. Why? Because most retailers are sending email messages or advertising in-store for their new mobile apps. But SMS messages get a 98% open rate. That's nearly 5 times as much as your average email. So if more people are opening their SMS messages and clicking through to the mobile apps, you can do the simple math. Your conversion rates, even if they stay the same, you're going to get more people downloading your apps if you start focusing on sending SMS messages. 2, text to download. So, for example, I was in a store recently and it was $5 off my purchase if I downloaded the app. To download the app, I had to take out my phone, unlock it, search for the actual app in the app marketplace, and the whole process, including registration, took about 7 minutes. And that was at the point of sale. So you could imagine for your customer, your consumer, your user, that's a big pain point and friction point just to get somebody to download an app. So why not consider using shortcodes, wherein you can set up a keyword on a 5 or 6 digit shortcode like download, or text download to 12345, and somebody within seconds can be directed to the download page and really start that process much quicker than the process I described to you earlier. And then 3, to increase engagement, bring users back to your app, there's this idea of deep linking, similar to when you send out mobile links or smart links in your SMS messages, where people click through to your e-commerce page, to whatever it is, search a product and purchase. You can send out a similar style of message where people will click through to a certain spot within the mobile app. So it could be to talk about new products, new features, but if you send out that SMS message or send out a campaign to your customer database, which you built and grew earlier, then you can text people about new features and have them click through and go back to the app. So instead of opening to the home page of your app, it actually goes to a specific feature or product page. So this can help increase engagement for your app. So again, the top 3 ways are build a mobile list to increase downloads, click to download to really pick up to reduce friction in trying to find your app, and 3, deep linking to really increase engagement. So thanks for watching. If you really like our videos, please follow us on YouTube. Check us out on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Thanks.